Hi everyone, this is Penelope. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will create a beautiful holiday look with this brand new Natasha Denona gold palette. This is the inside. She's a beauty. Let's begin. We're going to begin. I did my face already and I do have my eyeshadow base on and I did my eyebrows and everything. I just wanted to focus on the eyes today and the look that I'm going to make. Let's begin. I'm going to take the color Aria and I will apply it all over my lids. Next I will take this Morphe pencil brush and I will use the color Python and I will create a cut crease. Wow. I don't know how well you can see it from the video, but these colors, like, I have no words to describe how perfectly these colors just blend. It's amazing. Next I will take this blending brush, it's from Morphe again, and I will blend this beautiful color. Next I will take this MAC brush and this charged water, also from MAC, and I will wet my brush and I will go ahead and take the color Aurora and apply it all over my lids. Wow. Next I will take my blending brush again and I will go with the color Log and Tick together. I will go on my crease over here and just add a little color. What I will do next is take my finger and the color Kava and go on top Next, I will take my pencil brush again and the color Python, and I will go underneath my eye on the edges only and apply it. And then I will take a different pencil brush and I will use the color Oro, which is a true 24K gold. And I will apply this right in the middle. Wow. Now I will take my blending brush and I will blend these two colors underneath my eye together. And I will now take the color Sparks and I will apply it on the inner corner . And I will also apply it on the bones. Next I will take my Marc Jacobs eyeliner and I will go on the waterline and just add some. is the black color. I think I want a little bit more brown, so I will take the color Log again, and I will add some underneath on top of the teal color. I think that's much better. I will now take some mascara. I will use the Marc Jacobs mascara. This is the Velvet Noir Major Volume. I will apply some. Next is eyelashes. Today I'm going to use Ardell eyelashes. These are the Mega Volume Ardell lashes. And I'm using these because I want to have a very dramatic look. So, hey baby. My dog is also here. Making noise. Okay, so I definitely have to chop these lashes a little bit so they can actually fit my eyes, because these are huge. These are just huge. For my glue, I'm always using my Duo glue, and this is the white shade, but it always turns clear after. Okay. So this is our final look. I hope you guys like it. I really do. And I have to say that even though I'm not a big fan of blue and teal colors on me, I really like this look, and I just love the way that all the colors are blended together. And I guess this is why Natasha Denona is such a genius, because she makes all of her palettes to blend so well with, I don't know, each other. Like, these colors just blend so perfectly with each other. Look at this beautiful palette. Like, I just can't. I have to say, for everyone that doesn't own it already, go ahead and buy it. I know it's more expensive, but it's definitely 1000% worth the investment, and you will definitely enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Please like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for what's coming next.